What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. And yes, this is the same shirt from Monday. I got 3 more boxes to unbox right here. So I am going to knock these out, pre-record them, and then just drop them like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just so I can like have time for more stuff, and y'all get it. But like I said, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unbox, or whatever I do. And subscribe. Join the Playmate gang. And I'm thirsty because I want to see what's in these Adidas box. So that's what we're gonna get into today. Bow. Adidas symbol right there. And yeah, let's get into it. Cause if these any more wave runners, they just shipping this shit out. But I did pick up some more Adidas. And it looked like these are those new Adidas that I picked up. I haven't seen too many reviews on this. So here's the box. I don't know if people would like, these ain't too hype. People ain't really feeling these, but I was feeling them. I like the color, and I like multiple colors. So here's the box, and these are Solar HU Glides M. Bling, flower on these shoes, man. I have to say I do like these. These should have came out in the summertime, but I do like these shoes, and they come with 2 spare laces. You have black with probably 3M that looks like, and like this orange, teal, and brown color one right here. Both have 3 stripes on the lace tips. Continental, all that stuff that comes with these. And yeah, man, let's get into the right shoe, because of course the left one always comes with this. Don't forget, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, share the video, all that good stuff. And here you go, man. I haven't seen too many reviews on this shoe. These should have came out in the summertime. Summertime. It would have been way better, more wearable. Full 360 of the shoe all the way around. Show you these bottoms. Now let's get into it, man. Hold on, what is this? It's a wide ass shoe tree. Let me make sure they got my size right. Yeah, they got it right. Okay. Let's get into the toe box, man. You have this. Let me see. What was the colorway on it? This probably just said multicolor. Yeah. So anyways, we just gonna call the colors how we see them. You have an orange toe box with this mesh material with the big HU on the mesh to let you know these are a human race shoe. And coming up from the toe box, this side panel, you have a yellow side panel going all the way around. You have yellow mesh under the tongue. Well, it don't even have a tongue. This is all one shoe, but this is like the tongue area. Going all the way around, you have yellow on this side panel as well, with this nice little. It's suede. It got a nice feel to it. It's a nice little blue suede flap. I don't know why it's there, but it's there. And the laces they look like some tribal thing. Like, cause I know this is part of the African, or like the African pack on these shoes. So I want to say this is like some tribal stuff. I like the white ones. I like the white ones a little bit better. Like after I seen, like officially seen the white one, I like the white ones a little bit better than these, but I know I mess up white real bad, so that's why I didn't really go after the white ones. The black ones was kind of too plain. They're more wearable because they're all black, but they was too kind of plain for me. But yes, I want to say these are like some travel things. You have the 3 stripes on the lace, on the lace tips. Up here, you have red with that white Adidas logo on the tongue. And all of these different colors are different type of mesh materials. Like as you can see, these one have like real big holes. This one right here, you can rarely see the holes on there. And the red, even the red is like a different mesh. Like it has like triangle like holes. So all 3 of these have like different type of netting or different type of patterns on the stitching, which is real dope. And the lace holders, the lace loops is like, I don't know, it feel like a foam. It's not a mesh material. It feel like a foam. It feel like a foam type material. It's probably like mesh on the outside, but like the actual bulky part of the shoe is like, it's like a foam, which is real dope. It looks like you can almost peel this off. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can probably wear these with no laces in them. They look like that type of shoe and just have this flap just there. And of course, this is a boost. So the midsole, all white boost midsole. It don't look like it have boost going all the way up to here though. It's like the boost stops like right here. And then up here is just rubber. But all boost midsole, this little yellow little, oh, this is for this. Stretches all the way out to here. Mud guard, black rubber mud guard. Nope. Foam. Black foam mud guard right here. Boost midsole. Adidas right here on the toe cap. Boost going all the way around to the heel of the shoe, all the way around 360. And you have this like this red HU right here. This is suede. Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Yeah, this suede. It's ashy though. It's like, it's not like real soft suede, but it's like a little ashy, but it got a nice touch to it with the HU, him and Ray's brand on it. Like I was saying, this is like a different type of mesh for this purple one too. You have a nice, decent little heel support right here. And this is supposed to be a, I want to say they were saying this is supposed to be like a, and just like the other side, you have a nice little suede patch right here. No HU branding on that. On the inside of the shoe, you have Boost. You have Boost on the inside. All black insole. All black insole, nothing special. I want to say the white pair or the purple pair had like African, like an African theme going around the sock liner, which I thought was real dope. Also, the shoe, you can see where the Boost starts and goes all the way up. Stops right here. You have that Continental branding right here. And this is like, I think like the carbon fiber plate. What did this say? The torsion system. So I'm guessing this is like not keeping the shoe together, but keeping like the comfort of the shoe up to part. And it goes from here, like keeping everything like keeping the outsole and the midsole and everything together. Because it goes from here, straps on to the back, comes here, straps on to the side. Yeah. So these are the human races. I'm looking at the white pair, man. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get the white pair, man. It's just too much with the white pair, man. But anyway, man, these are my human race pickup. Now I wonder, hold up, since I'm here, let me go ahead and do a double unboxing. Since I'm right here, and yeah. Double up action. Double up action. Double up action on these. So, wow, man. Double up, double up. Double up, shawty! No, double up action, man. Doubled up on these. Real dope. I might use one trade bait, or you know, I might sell one. I might use one for trade bait. I don't know yet, but anyways, man, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, man. And don't forget, subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And yeah, man, I give y'all content every day, every single day. Or at least I try to give y'all content every single day, man. So maybe I got some other sneakerheads, man. Let them know, man. Tell them about my channel, man. We trying to grow together, build together, all that good stuff, man. And we out this jam, man. Let's get it.